Welcome to day 13 of our website development training. I'm not going to be talking so much because I'm under the weather. So this is the class of today. This is the class for today. Forget this one that is ticked, alright, and this one is done already. So this is the one that we're going to do. Don't go and start doing this one, please. So this is the one we'll do. Click on it. So we are on CSS basic 1. So click on start. There are 4 lessons here, so we are going to do one today, just one. All right, remember your exams on Saturday. Yes, remember your exam on Saturday. We are just going to do one here. Let's say create an h1 element with a text logo set to red. H1 element with a text color of the h1 element set to red. What you're going to do here is under this body tag, you're going to break it and enter another line. You now type your h1 element, then inside that place you're going to add a style command. So to do that, just type style, not a style tag. All right, it's not style tag, so make sure you avoid making such mistake. All right, so you remove this one, then you type style, because it's going to be inside your h1 element style, and you put equal to, you put quotation mark, you now write color, you put your colon, then give a little space, you now put color red, then you put semicolon, and that you now close this tag. Here now, and you now come here. After you've closed that tag, you now come here and write HTML ego. I think that's what they gave, right? HTML ego, and you mark it. That they say spot on, it's correct. You click on continue. The next one, they say create a paragraph element with a font style set to italic that displays dare to be different. So dare to be different sorry, they've already created another paragraph here. So under that paragraph, you just break into another line, and you create another paragraph. And you will style your paragraph. Remember, the styling is always inside the opening tag. The styling is always inside the opening tag. So here now you come here and they said, what's the instruction? Font style, right? So you come here, you type style, LE, you now put equal to, you open your quotation mark. And what's the instruction? The instruction is that you should create a p element with a font style, so you, inside this place, you now type font style, put hyphen style, font style. That's what they said, right? So font style, you put colon. After font style, you put colon, and you give one line space. Font style, they said it is what? Italic. So you type italic here. You type italic. After the italic, you put semicolon. You will now close. And you will now come outside this quotation mark. To close the tag. Okay, I think it's already closed. Yes, it's already closed. So next thing you're going to do now is, they said you will write dare to be different. Dare to be different. There to be different. Is there any other thing we're asked to do? Nope. So that's literally what it is. They did not ask you to put weight and all of those things. I think network is bad. Okay, some things of Java net. So I think my network is bad. I think my network is not that good. So let's try that again. Click on it, and okay, it says keep it up, which it is correct. It was my network that disrupted it. You can see what we did here: paragraph, font style, italic, there to be different. All right, so we continue. Where is this thing? Continue. It said in the first paragraph, set the font size to 30 pixels and the font weight to bold. First paragraph, there are two paragraphs here. Okay, there are three paragraphs here. You have paragraph 1, which is what? E. Paragraph 2, they now put the font style, the weight and the font style and all of those things. So for here now, they say we should put, for this first one, they say in the first paragraph, set the font size to 30 pixels. To set the font size, the same thing, come to under this P, you will type style. Style. Type style, you put equal to, you open your quotation mark. Next thing they said you should set with this font size, so you type font size. You put colon after font size. Sorry, the what demarcates both of them is a hyphen, not a space in between. So colon, you now put this 30 pixels. So you type 30 pixels. You put your semicolon, and okay, and that's that. The next thing they said you should do there, you should set the weight to bold. So still inside that place, you will type weight, font weight, font weight, you put your colon and you type bold. All right, give one space, you type bold, and that's it. You mark it. It said great job, which means it's correct. Click on continue. Set font family of H3 to Arial. Font family of H3 to Arial. You've been given the font here, the H3. They gave you the style. So after the equal sign, you just put your quotation mark. You now type font family. After typing font family, you put what? Arial. Type Arial. Font family colon, then Arial semicolon. That's everything that they are asked to do. So make sure to assign the correct font family to the H3 element. So let's go back and see where we made the mistake. Okay, I made a mistake in the area. I typed E instead of A. Sorry, is IAL. So always cross check All right, okay, now it's correct. Click on continue. For the h1 element, add the style attribute and set font family to papyrus. So this is the h1 element. They said add the style attribute, so just type style. You now put your equal sign, open your this thing, you type font family, type font family, you put your colon, and they said it is what? Papyrus. So let me make sure I spell that thing very well. Papyrus, then you put semicolon, and that's it. They say fantastic. Continue. For the h2 element, add the style attribute and set color to pink. For the h2 element, so you have h1 and h2. Now said for the h2 element, add the style attribute and set color of the style attribute to pink. So you come here and you just type your style as usual. Type style, equal sign, open your this thing, and they said what the color, you are setting the color here. So color colon, you are writing the next one to be pink, pink, and semicolon. Put a semicolon, and that is it. You mark it. Great job, it's correct. Click continue. In the opening h1 tag, add a style attribute that has the value color is what? Plum. In the opening h1 tag, so you have the h1 tag here. They are telling you inside the opening h1 tag that you should add a style attribute that has the value color is plum. So they just want you to add color. Forget the long English they are speaking. So you come here and type style equal to, open your this thing, you now type color, you put colon, after the colon you write plum, and then you put semicolon. That's it. You mark it spots on, which means it's correct. Click on continue. They are calculating our progress, and this is where we are going to end for tonight. Make sure you read your book and prepare for tomorrow's for your Saturday examination. All right, so take good care of yourself. You know what to do, just screenshot it. I don't want you to do 2 tasks, please. Don't do 2 tasks, do one, so that you can revise other tasks to read your books for your exams. So I know you have 2 keys and you would want to do extra, but please don't. So that's good. That's going to be it. There are 4 lessons here. We just did 1, so I want to see your screenshot like this. And if you did not like the video, you know the rules, so I don't need to keep telling you. So good night.